Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a poll in Facebook Messenger, and here's how it's done. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Go to a group chat where you want to post the poll. No group chat yet? Create a new one first. At the bottom of the chat, next to the message box, tap the four dots icon or plus icon depending on your version. A menu will pop up. Tap Polls. A screen appears to create your poll. Enter your poll question in the What's Your Poll About field. Add answer options one by one in the Add option field. When you are done, tap Create Poll. The poll will appear in the group, and everyone can vote. Bonus, you can see live results as people vote. Great for making quick group decisions or gathering opinions. And that is everything you need to know about how to create a poll in Facebook Messenger. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.